Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video. After praying the morning prayer, I have come to the field to make video. This is my main goal for this early morning. Surrounding are seeing full of the mist. Even sun hasn't arisen yet. This is another reason for this season. Everything is looks like some dark, but gradually it turns into bright. So for that time you have to wait. So it is about to the last time of morning or winter season, and because the new season, the spring is coming as soon as possible. But I thought this is the last time of winter season. I should make a video about this early morning because I used to make a lot of video in the early morning, but that time was the mild or the beginning of winter season. But this is the ending time of this season, and we cannot find this weather cold mist like 1-2 weeks later. So for this reason I have tried to make although I make a lot of video in this place because my favorite place to make video because everything is clean, neat, and there is no man-made sound pollutions. There is no crowded because in the early morning this village and this field is full of the beautiful expression. But if you come to this field, this type of, if you live in Bangladesh, you know that in this early morning, if you go to the like field, you will just hear the sound of just like the sound of the birds and the sounds of the different kind of animal. Otherwise you cannot see anyhow any kind of persons. I think you can sing to me, but surrounding is full of mist, and for this reason it is very hard to observe my surrounding because just 1 or 2 meter you can see, or I don't know what is in front of me, just 3 meter. Anyway, because today is very weather is very bad due to the mist. Although I like winter season, I told you in many video also, you know that. But why this comes? Because Bangladesh is one of the favorite seasonable country, because we have the 6th season. Winter is one of them. Everyone like winters. The main reason is that winter we can feel cold and we can sleep under the blanket. This is one of the reason. And the people who work hard, like whirling, like those type of work that feel hot in the winter, in the summer season, for those in winter season it is very easy to work because it gives them warm. For this reason, okay, so very beautiful place. Your swings surrounding me. I think not too much. Okay, but there is some disadvantage of winter season, which is this, and this is like in winter season you feel lazy, you mind things, you should not work at this time, just sleep more and more. This is winter season, but today I didn't wear the jacket because it is not necessary for me, although my body is cold this time. But I thought it's not necessary. I'm a young boy, so why should I wear the blanket? Not needed. Okay, guys, you know there's something. I just make a joke. Okay, but you should be careful about your health. Otherwise, you may fall into the some diseases. Okay. So we should be careful about this. So by the way, you're very super doing everything. I think you practice better than me. Practice is most important. Last week I went to under pressure for my test exam. For this reason I couldn't make video properly. I also couldn't practice properly. Extra things I missed, but now I'm little bit free and I can practice properly and I can give time on my developing skills. Extra things I can do it right now, but I have to study regularly. apart from my English, apart from my YouTube channel, but from my Facebook page, because both are needed for me. This is one thing is extracurriculum, another thing curriculum needed, because to do make something more in the future, I need some extra knowledge of curriculum, also the certificate, extra things. Okay, by the way, so if you really want to do something more, if you really want to do, if you think I can, and if you practice, inshallah, you can do it. Do you believe this? I think you believe this. You should believe this about yourself, because nobody come in your life to help you. Some people some people come to your life to just tell you, yes, it's good, do, and you can something more happening, you can do better. That's it, not enough. But if you really want to change the moral change or vital change of your life, you have to come. First of all, you think about your something more happening. What things do you like? This is okay. I'm making the video with about the hodgepodge topics. Okay, that I'm talking about the winter season advantage, disadvantage. I think you also like winter season, or if you don't like, why you should notice and disadvantage of winter season, and I read out. I promise you. And if you give the good example, I will reply your comment, inshallah. Okay, very good, very good. Keep practicing like this way. Surrounding is no people here. It's very helpful for me to make any kind of video. Still the mist isn't clean right now, because it is growing, I think. Behind me, above me, sorry, there is a sun. I think you don't know, because the power of the moonlight is not good to show in my camera, although. Okay, by the way, you're understanding more things in happening in your life. You should practice regularly. This is my most important comment. Most important things, what place you are in, it doesn't matter. Just keep practicing with your partners. Use applications. You can learn English as soon as possible, I think. By the way, last point to remember you. Do you like winter or not? Why or why not? Must comment and I read out. I'm waiting for reading out your comment, okay? Goodbye for today. I'll come back to another video. So for that time, keep watching, keep practicing, and keep learning. Inshallah, one day you can be fluent better than me. Just believe yourself. It's important. I will come back another video at the time. Bye.